Videoleap, the Swiss Army knife of video editing. But does it actually work or just look cool? Let's face it, video editing is like trying to perform brain surgery while riding a unicycle. Enter Videoleap, the app that promises to turn your chaotic clips into masterpieces. But is it a magic wand or just a fancy filter with illusions of grandeur? Grab your popcorn and maybe a stress ball and let's dive in. Let's look at the good, the bad, and the why is my cat now floating in space? So we're going to look at the categories, the pros and the cons. Now by the pros, I mean the holy guacamole, this is awesome stuff. And by the cons, I mean the toddler with an iPad do this stuff. So in the category of editing power, it has more layers than an onion. It helps you add text, effects, and your ex's face on a potato. But the con? Pro features requires a PhD in what the heck is that button? Now, next category is effects and filters. When it comes to that, the pro is that it makes your video look vintage, futuristic, or like a 90s VHS tape for that authentic vibe. And the con is that some filters turn your skin tone into Cheeto orange or ghostly pale. When it comes to user-friendly category, yes, it has a drag and drop simplicity, which is great for when you're editing on the toilet. And the con is that it is easy to use until you accidentally delete your entire project. Cue existential crisis. Export quality category. Yes, it has VK, 4K actually, videos, so clips. You can see your regrets in HD. But when it comes to the con, free version slaps a watermark bigger than your ego. And lastly, look at the price category. It is free to start because we are all broke after buying avocado toast. But the con is that the subscription costs more than your Netflix addiction. So what's our final verdict? Should you trust Videoleap with your Oscar dreams? Well, for Instagram and TikTok creators, my answer is yes. Turn your dog into a superhero. But for Hollywood directors, maybe you should stick to Premiere Pro. Videoleap is like a caffeinated film student. Enthusiastic, creative, but occasionally chaotic. So use it to make magic, but maybe don't quit your day job yet. P.S. If your Videoleap edit goes viral, tag us. If it flops, we never met. If you're still unsure, remember, bad editing is temporal, but a floating cat meme is forever. Bye for now.